flush out. Take cap off, kill power to the well. Small diameter pipe. Don't dump down small. Move wires to side. Dump chlorine liquid. Straight bleach. 4 gallons. Dump down and have clean. Dump down. Okay. And have clean. Pour clean water to push down bottom will eat pipe. Need to flush down clean buckets 20 to 30 gallons to push chlorine once you get in. Leave sit for 24 hours. Can flush toilets, but don't run any other water. Then a couple hoses and flush out. Might have to do that a couple different times. What's for dinner? What's for lunch? What are you cooking?
Pizza. Grab pizza.
No. Pizza.
Sure. I'll eat a pizza. Are you thinking about those peeps? You can have them.
Why are you doing this again, Tier? Let's go to El Patron. No, or you want to go?
No, I want to go to Elbotron.
Okay, let's go to Mangoes.
Oh, yeah. Bingo. Da 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 da. Hey, Mama, just saying, I have to say this for one, Mama, and I'm on video right now. I'm sending this to YouTube Live. So,
I
yeah.
know what you're talking about. We'll stop someplace and we'll get some food, okay?
Mangoes.
Wait. What do we go here?
We have to go this weekend. Like that.
Oh, we can't anymore? You guys want to go get chips and salsa?
Yeah.
And tacos?
Yeah. Yeah. The meat and cheese one.
Yeah, the meat and cheese from Mangoes?
Yep.
Can you guys be good?
Yeah.
Tier, why are you whining? You know what? When you whine,
He's a professional.
you know what? I was having vertigo earlier because I'm so stressed out and I can't handle being around you guys. Don't you understand? I want you guys to leave. That's not okay. I can't handle being around you guys. I can't handle being around your father and I can't handle being around you kids. I can't handle it.
You could have said this earlier, but no. Just saying, Mama, this is going to YouTube Live. So please don't spam. Oh, hello. My name is... Oh, hello again, friend. I'm a scholar that we joined from the dead. The bone, the pick of you. I want sausage and bone, the pick of you. Benji, I see. Will you bend me? I don't like it. The bone, the pick of you. Bone, the pick of you. I don't bend. I see. Will you bend me? I don't have a bone to pick with you.
You know what? You can take them home and I'll come back down and eat by myself.
Here?
You need to take him to your mom and dad's house. I can't handle being around him. I can't handle the whininess. I can't handle the crying thinking that he's going to get his way.
I wanna pee.
And you have a smile on your face and think that it's funny. You think it's funny? But I can't handle it. I'm done handling it. Don't you get it? I'm ready to walk away from you guys. Done. Done.
I gotta get him a piece.
What? No.
Mango.
No.
I wanna pee.
They can go home and you can cook There's chicken at home that you can cook, and there's French fries you can cook.
Chicken?
Yeah, there's chicken and chicken nuggets.
Is there?
Yeah, there is.
I want to pee.
Is there a catalytic converter on that pipe right there, Dana?
I don't know. Can you call your parents and see if you can get rid of these guys for the day?
You can.
Or can you go to your parents' house? Yeah, with the kids? Thank you.
Dear, stop acting like this. Keep juice. Dear, I want to pee milk. What we did is milk. You can't have those stuff. The what? Mama has no mom. He has a zero. Zero means nothing.
Don't roll that window down and get your fucking seatbelt on. Why isn't your seatbelt on?
We both got to sleep on
You know what? I want you to get their car seats, and from now on, you start putting them in their car seats and buckling them in.
I
Because they're all supposed to be in their car seats. You're not tall enough not to be in your car seat.
I am.
And you're supposed to be in a car seat too.
Me?
Yeah.
I can touch the floor. I almost can touch the floor. But that's unbelievable. Bye, buddies. Hey, guys, look at my blue.
You want me to hit your hands? Touch that door again and I'm going to slap your fingers. You understand? Sit back and get your seatbelt on. Help him get his seatbelt on.
Theo, pass me your seatbelt.
You can't be around you guys.
Theo! Pass.
Grab the seatbelt and get your seatbelt on.
Theo, lift your back up. I can't. Sam! Oh, can I have the buckle? Theo, give Odin your buckle. Oh, yeah. Oh. Don't unbuckle here. Here? Get in your seat right. Mama, he's laying on the ground. He's about to. Here?
Tim, you need to pull over and get out and walk with him.
Here?
You going to get out and walk with your dad, Tier?
Here, if we get in a car accident, you will break your neck. You mean you'll break your top of your head skull. And your whole body will crack.